So I wanted to go over a couple things in the DoorDash girl case because I got a lot of questions on the video and I want to make sure everybody sort of understands where the case is at and what's going on. So basically they have until those dates, but is this normal? So I made the video yesterday saying they have until, I think it's 2/17/2027 to indict the case, or the case goes away basically. So a couple of things. One, they have until 6 months from the date of the arraignment, okay? And then on the 1 year date, which is 2/17/2027, that's when her attorney can file a motion to dismiss. There's a couple of things that go into play here, all right? First and foremost, she's out of custody, right? So there's not really a rush to present the case to the grand jury. If she was in custody, there's this thing called 180/80 in New York, which is the amount of time that an individual has to stay in custody without waiving their speedy trial rights before the district attorney has to present their case to a grand jury. Okay, that's about 6 days. It's like 144 hours. She's not in custody, so there's no rush to present the case to the grand jury. Okay, this is also assuming out of custody that her defense counsel did not waive speedy trial rights. If her attorney waives her speedy trial rights, the time that they have to present the case to the grand jury tolls, meaning that 2/17/2027 date doesn't matter, because they now have as much time as they want to present the case to the grand jury. We don't know if her attorney waived her speedy trial rights, okay? So this is completely a normal process. She's out of custody. There is no rush to present the case to a grand jury because they're not holding her in violation of her constitutional rights. We also don't know whether or not her attorney waived her speedy trial rights in the hopes of working out a disposition in the interim before they go to the grand jury. So as of right now, the only thing that we do know is that that date is the court date by which her attorney can file a motion to dismiss the case if there has been no waivers of speedy trial and they have yet to present the case to the grand jury. Okay, so that's sort of where we're at. I hope that makes sense. It is normal. It's completely normal. I have cases that have sat around without waivers and then they indict them like 3 weeks before that 6-month date, which is super annoying, but it happens all the time. So we'll see what happens. I'm keeping an eye on it and I hope that helps. Have a good day. Happy Sunday.